Hi everyone, so hopefully you were able to finish the sort, and this is our next week, and we're learning about sound. So we've learned about forms of energy, light, heat, and now we're going to learn about sound. So sound can be any color you'd like. I'm going to color it blue, so you can go ahead and pause the video or just color it while I color mine. It'll take me just a minute to color it. Okay, and you're welcome to pause the video until you're done. Then I'm going to turn it to the very back, flip it to the back, and let's fill this out. So you can get your pencil. I'm going to get a pen. It says, we hear sound with our, if you said ears, you're right. Okay, and there's EA, long E, right? Ears. Sound is caused by vibrations. That's a big word. V-I-B-R-A-T-I-O-N-S. I'll give you a second to write that. So they're also called sound waves. That's another word for them. Okay. Next one. We can blank a fire alarm because of sound energy. We can hear it, right? So we're going to write here. So we hear sound with our ears. Sound is caused by vibrations. We can hear a fire alarm because of sound energy. Okay, now I'm going to grab my crayons and I'm going to draw a few pictures. Interestingly, this is the first one that we have had without the sun, right? The sun doesn't give us sound. The first thing I'm going to draw is a whistle. Kind of hard to draw, but we'll try, right? So there's my whistle, and when you blow a whistle, it makes sound. That kind of shows sound being made. Another thing is something we don't really think of is our cell phones, right? So I'm going to draw a smartphone. Button at the bottom, and I'm going to go like that. That means it's ringing, right? Lots of things make sound. Another thing is a fire alarm. So maybe I'm going to draw a hallway for school, and the fire alarm is right here, and the fire alarm is going off. It's going to go dun, beep, beep, beep. And it tells us to get out, right? Another thing you could draw a guitar, a drum, people talking, All of those things create sound. And if you can think of any others, do that too. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.